Hey folks, everything new under the sun. I want to show you this EtherDelta.github.io, and this is the site I was trying to play or show for you before when I was talking about the pillar token and how the pricing was happening. I could not get it to work in Safari. It must be a compatibility issue with Safari. So what I'm showing here now, this is Firefox. I'm on a Mac, so Firefox seems to work. Apparently, it doesn't like Safari. It keeps loading forever. Anyways, EtherDelta is very simple, so you can see the URL up here. Make sure you're at the correct EtherDelta, especially if you're going to trade on it. And so it is EtherDelta.github.io. I'll try and put that link in the description. So basically, you have a couple options. It's pretty simple. You've got a black background and a dark background. This is the a light background. This is a light background, and this being the dark background. I think the dark background is a lot background is a lot easier to look at. So what you've got here is you've got your tokens here. I'm looking at Veri right now, and then you've got your what you want to compare it to. So I want to compare it to Ethereum. So Veritasium to Ethereum, and then you can see on this side the volume and the price it's going for. Veritasium is going for one Veritasium for 0.730 Ethereum. And up over on this side, the trades, you can also see the same idea. So how many Veritasium for how many Ethereum. So for this second one, where the price was down, it's about 14.6 Ethereum to buy 20 Veritasium. And so you can see that the trades up and down, it's about even both ways up and down. So the price isn't skyrocketing, the price isn't decreasing a huge amount. So what we're interested in, obviously, is Pillar. So let's go and select PLR, and we're going to take a look at PLR, or Pillar to Ethereum. And so you can see the Pillar here. Pillar is currently going for 0.0003 Ethereum per Pillar token. Now, if you'll recall, we paid about 0.0005 Ethereum, I believe it was. So it's trading well under. However, on the good side, you can see the trades here. The majority of the trades are upwards. So they're going for more Ethereum than less generally. And again, you can see how many Ethereum it is to one Ethereum. So let's see, 1.5 Ethereum equals 5,000 Pillar tokens. Let's see, 1.183 equals about 4,000 Pillar tokens. And so you can get about 1,000 Pillar tokens according to this for 0.3 Ethereum. Let me just double check what we paid for that. 1 second. Please stand by. Alright, looking at pillarproject.io, and again, let me put it full screen mode here. Again, you can see the price per token that we paid was 0.0005, and like I say, it's trading for 0.0003 Ethereum. So let me go back to, see if I can get back here. Go back to this. Hopefully that worked, and hopefully you can still hear me. My face is showing on the bottom, so it didn't disappear. But anyways, so yeah, it's selling for a fair bit lower than we bought it for. But some would consider that a real good buy. You can now go ahead and get almost twice as much Pillar tokens, twice as many Pillar tokens for the same amount of Ethereum. So now might be a good time to go put in a couple of bucks into Pillar, with the idea that, with the hope that it increases in value. But I just want to show you that. So the main places to look are Pillar Ethereum here, and then Pillar Ethereum, and then the trades. And overall, the trades seem to be going up the higher end. They're not going down, so that's good. So obviously we want to see that reach parity at bare minimum, and then over the next couple of weeks shoot up like Veritasium, for example. So like I say, it's a real good time to buy it, and looks like there's people trying to sell it here for upwards of parity, and I think that's what the red means there. So 0.0008, and someone has has 9,000 pillar tokens they're looking to get rid of at 0.0008. And of course you've got all the way down at the very bottom, you've got people who apparently are willing to sell them real cheap. So there you go. That's interesting. I actually don't know what that means. Can you buy them at that price? I should put a little bit of Ethereum in here and find out. I guess that would be interesting. I should put like you know, 0.00001 Ethereum and just play with it. So I might do that next, but I just want to show you this interface anyways. I don't completely understand it, but definitely, so it doesn't work in Safari. Go to Firefox if you're on Mac, and then you can see the trading price, because this is pretty much the only exchange. I guess there's technically others, but this is kind of the main exchange that JSON4 uses, for example, to look at the existing, like the day-to-day prices, the real market, fair market value of these items, and this is what they're trading at for Ethereum. You know, you can't trade them back directly for USD or Canadian denominations, etc., obviously, and they're not on a big exchange like Kraken or Coinbase. But just as well here, you can trade Pillar into Ethereum, move your Ethereum to your other wallet, move it into Coinbase, Kraken, and then obviously put it on your credit card or whatever you want to do with it. So obviously, like I said, we're looking for parity here. I might play with this a little bit and see if I can. I've got a tiny bit of Ethereum, a tiny bit, like 0.0006 or something. So I may just put that on here and see if I can actually play with it. I don't even know if it's enough to get any tokens over here. Anyways, I'll leave there, guys. I want to show that to you. I will put the link to this in the description, and just play with it. Just click around, and you can see what your tokens are trading for. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave it there. I'll see you guys in the next video.